Demarco lifestyle and how he spends his money. Demarco is one of the most innovative and prolific musicians of his generation. His offbeat persona and DIY work ethic have earned him a loyal following among indie music fans. His albums are noted. Producer and engineer. Most notably on the album New York by fellow Captured Tracks artist Beach Fossils. Demarco currently lives in Los Angeles, California. He married his longtime girlfriend, Kira McNally, in 2017. For their catchy melodies, low-fee production values, and Demarco's often wry and irreverent lyrics. Demarco was born in Duncan, British Columbia, on April 30th, 1990. He was raised by his mother, a teacher, and his father, a civil engineer. He has two older sisters. Demarco was a talented hockey player in his youth and was offered a spot on a junior team in Vancouver, but he turned it down too. Focus on music. He began playing guitar at the age of 14 and started writing songs shortly thereafter. He cites Nirvana, Weezer, and Pavement as his early musical influences. Demarco graduated from high school in 2008 and moved to Vancouver to attend Capilano University. He dropped out after one semester to focus on his music career. Demarco's first release was the EP Heatwave, which he self-recorded and self-released in 2009. He followed it with a full-length album, Rock and Roll Nightclub, in 2012. The album was recorded in just 4 days and was self-released on cassette tape. Demarco's offbeat sense of humor and DIY aesthetic earned him a cult following, and his album was later reissued on vinyl by Captured Tracks, a Brooklyn-based record label. His subsequent albums, Salad Days 2014 and Another One 2015, were both recorded in his Brooklyn apartment and released by Captured Tracks. Demarco has toured extensively throughout his career, both as a headliner and as an opening act for such artists as Blonde Redhead, Basque Coast, and Modest Mouse. He has also made several high-profile television appearances, including a performance on The Late Show with David Letterman in 2014. In addition to his work as a musician, Demarco has also worked as a